Welcome back. We got our juicing segment here with Debbie, and we're going to do something that is probably the best thing that you can ever do to reduce inflammation, and that is vegetable juicing. So what do you got for us today?
Today I have just the basic rainbow juice. It has as many colors of the rainbow that I could find that looked really good. Today we're using golden beets instead of red ones because they were prettier at the store. Juicing is really good for you, like cucumbers help with inflammation. A lot of fruits and vegetables do. And juicing gives you just a natural energy boost because we're extracting all the fiber. Not that we don't want the fiber, but with extraction juicing, we take it out so the body doesn't have to work so hard to break down the food and absorb the nutrients. So you will naturally get the energy boost instead of the tired, laden feeling after a heavy meal.
Exactly. It's like no digestion whatsoever that you need. It pretty much jumps into the bloodstream in like 20 minutes.
Exactly. Yeah, it's almost immediate. You will feel the benefits immediately. Stubborn. Another good source that I use for juicing is all the ends of your vegetables that you don't use in your beautiful salads. I save them in a baggie and incorporate them into my juice. Waste not, want not. Food fest.
I'm really impressed. Did you see how quickly she did that? So just recognizing all those vegetables, how much energy, there'd be no way you'd be able to eat all that.
Oh, you couldn't.
No.
Because that was, we did most of the plate, and that was an entire plate of food, so.
And just a little talk about the kiwi that's in it. Kiwi is like it's amazing enzymes in it that's just fantastic as an anti-inflammatory food, so cheers.
As well as it sweetens it. The apple and the fruit adds a sweetness to it that you can't get from just the vegetables.
Yeah, exactly, and carrots also. So thank you very much. This was delicious
as
always.
Enjoy.